Let's talk herbs for a second. So, when you get ready to start a herb garden, one of the things that I can tell you, at least from my experience, is really try if you want your herbs to be around for a while or you want your herb garden to be, try to research, say, the particular herb for your area and see, is it annual or perennial? Does it reseed freely in your area? Um, this right here is dill. I had one plant 2 years ago that was eaten by caterpillars, and I had one little seed that came up last year. And for the most part, the plant was eaten by caterpillars. And you can see right now, I'm overrun with dill this year. I didn't even get myself any last year. I have replanted some of this up where my corn is because I've heard it's a good companion plant. But I've got dill everywhere. This is a pineapple basil that I did purchase and just bought or put in the other day. This is who knows what kind of basil. It is a reseed from some. I think this is oregano. Honestly, I can't remember right now. And this is my sage. Whoops, hit a hole. I need to actually try to get this out of here. It is a huge, huge plant, and I'm going to actually move it to a permanent spot in um, the garden area. It's supposed to be deer resistant, and if it'll keep deer away from my garden, I'm all for it. And also, I have little bits of catnip that had reseeded themselves coming up. Of course, there are lots and lots of weeds, but I need to get in here, get some of this cleaned out, get some more stuff in. I've got some more over here that I'm going to be trying to get in this year. They've got grass and weeds in them. Oklahoma, it's weeds, ticks. Ticks are very, very bad this year. Anyway, just remember, if you are going to do your herbs, consider the space requirements that it's going to need, not for only the year that you put them in, but for future years should you want to keep them around. I'm going to try to get all of the dill contained in uh, one or two areas somehow. Um, I did transplant one. A lot of it died back, but it has perked up and it's starting to go. So a few of these will probably get transplanted, and then the rest of them may just be dug up. Anyway, and that's it for this one, and we will talk to you later. Bye.